Which magnetic drawing board is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, KickitX Light Blue Board. First up is the KickitX Magnetic Drawing Board in light blue, priced at $22.59. What caught my eye was its vibrant color and educational focus. If you want a fun way to boost your child's creativity and learning, this is worth a serious look. This board is designed specifically for toddlers aged 1 to 3, making it perfect for your little ones. It supports skill development, visual perception, and hand-eye coordination. With 12.53 by 10.9 inches of space, it's just the right size for small hands. Plus, the sturdy legs adjust to 3 different heights, so it grows with your child, ensuring comfort during use. And here's why this matters for you. It's not just a toy. It encourages learning through play, meaning your child can pick up letters, words, and numbers while having fun. With 11,200 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, this is clearly a favorite among parents. Now, some folks mentioned that the eraser knob can be a bit stiff at times. Here's the thing though, it only takes a moment to get used to, and for the price, the benefits of this board far outweigh that minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you have a toddler who loves to draw and learn at the same time. Skip this one if your child is older and needs more advanced creative tools, but for the price, it offers great value. Now, if the stiffness of the eraser knob bothers you, this next one could be an even better fit for your needs. Product number 2, KickitX Soft Pink Board. Next, we have the KickitX Magnetic Drawing Board in soft pink, also at $22.59. This one caught my attention with its adorable color and similar educational features as the previous one. If your little artist leans towards pink, this is definitely worth considering. Like its blue counterpart, this board is ideal for children aged 1 to 3, focusing on skills like language development and creativity. The 12.53 by 10.9 inches size is just right for toddlers, and its adjustable legs mean it can adapt to your growing child. It's made from high-quality, non-toxic materials, ensuring safe playtime. Since it encourages drawing and learning simultaneously, your child can easily transition from doodling to learning letters and numbers without realizing they're studying. With the same impressive rating of 4.5 stars and over 11,200 reviews, it's clearly popular among parents. However, some users did point out that the magnetic pen can get lost easily. But honestly, as a parent, keeping an extra one on hand isn't a deal breaker given the overall quality and safety of the board. This is perfect for you if you want a safe, engaging way for your toddler to express their creativity. Skip this one if your kid prefers a different color or requires a larger drawing surface. For the price, it's truly a great find. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a little more versatility. Product number 3, KickitX Dark Blue Board. Coming in third is the KickitX Magnetic Drawing Board in dark blue, priced at $22.99. What stood out to me about this one is its color and the consistent quality from the KickitX brand. If you want a reliable board that doesn't compromise on fun, this one deserves your attention. Just like the previous models, this board is for toddlers aged 1 to 3, helping them develop language skills and creativity. It maintains the same size of 12.53 by 10.9 inches, which is ideal for little artists. The detachable legs allow for height adjustments, providing comfort as your child grows. Safety is prioritized here, too, with non-toxic, BPA-free materials. What makes this an even better option is that it helps children learn letters and numbers while they create, turning play into educational time. With 11,200 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear that parents are happy with this choice. The downside? Some parents have mentioned it can be a bit heavier than expected, making it less portable. But honestly, if stability is what you're after, that's a small price to pay for a board that encourages creativity and learning. This is perfect for you if you want a stable, durable board for your creative toddler. Skip this one if portability is a top concern for you. Overall, it offers great value for the features it includes. Now, if you're looking for something that's even more versatile, let's check out the next product. Product number 4, TQU LCD Writing Tablet. Next up is the TQU 4-pack LCD Writing Tablet, priced at just $8.99. What really grabbed my attention is the fact that you get 4 tablets in one pack, which is a fantastic deal. If you want more than one drawing surface for your kids, or to share, this is a great choice. These tablets offer a new flexible liquid crystal technology that's brighter and clearer than many others out there. Each tablet has an 8.5-inch screen, which is perfect for drawing, writing, or even doing math. They're lightweight and super easy to use. Just draw with the stylus and press the erase button to clear the screen instantly. The set includes 4 colors: blue, light blue, green, and pink, allowing kids to get creative in different ways. With over 5,100 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, parents appreciate their kids' quiet playtime with these tablets. However, some users reported that the stylus can be a little flimsy. I'll be real with you. While it could be a concern, it's easily replaceable, and for the price, you're still getting a lot of value. This is perfect for you if you want multiple drawing surfaces for your kids or for travel. Skip this one if you prefer a traditional magnetic board experience. Overall, it's a solid by considering the fun factor and price. Now, if you've been looking for something larger, the next product might just be what you're after. Product number 5, Skyle Large Magnetic Board. Finally, we have the Skyle Large Magnetic Drawing Board, priced at $19.99. This board size really caught my eye. At 16.5 by 12.5 inches, it's spacious for your child's creativity. If you want a larger canvas for doodling, this one is definitely a strong contender. This board is perfect for toddlers and preschoolers aged 1 to 4, and it features a solid structure that's designed to withstand the rough and tumble of little hands. The built-in stamps are a great addition, securely attaching to the board to prevent loss and enhance creativity. The enlarged eraser makes it easy for kids to clear their drawings without much effort, allowing them to return to their creative play quickly. With 21,400 reviews and an impressive 4.6-star rating, many parents rave about this board. However, it does take up more space than some of the others, which might be a concern if you're tight on room. But honestly, if your child loves to create big and bold artwork, the extra space is well worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a large, interactive drawing surface for your little artist. Skip this one if you have limited space or prefer compact options. It's a great value for the fun and educational engagement it offers. So, to wrap up, we've seen some fantastic options today. The Kikadex boards in various colors, the budget-friendly TQU LCD tablets, and the spacious Skyle board. Each one brings something unique to the table. So consider your child's needs and preferences when making your choice.